Hi guys. Today, welcome back to the FCAT Master channel. And today we'll be learning about Strait of Hormuz. Where is it? Why was it in news? Everything we are going to cover today. So, as we all know, Israel-Iran conflict was taking place recently. Though there is news of ceasefire right now, but yet it took place. And in that, Iran issued a statement stating it can block Strait of Hormuz, which means it can stop all the trade from Strait of Hormuz. So it becomes important for us to know what is Strait of Hormuz. So Strait of Hormuz is this narrow channel. It is this narrow channel. This channel over here. Wait a second. This channel over here is Strait of Hormuz. So it connects the Persian Gulf to Gulf of Oman, which in turn connects it to Arabian Sea. Here it is Arabian Sea. So this now why is Strait of Hormuz important? So as we all can see, most of the Gulf nations lie in Persian Gulf, like Iran, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Oman, and we have Saudi Arabia. And most of these countries are oil producing countries, and through these countries, almost all the Asian countries import their oil. So this oil passes through Persian Gulf via Strait of Hormuz to Gulf of Oman and then to Arabian Sea, then reaching Asia. So if this gets blocked, it would disrupt the oil reaching the Asian countries, which in turn will affect the trade. Also, it will affect the oil prices and also bring a change in will also bring change in the dynamics of the stock market. So let us study Strait of Hormuz in detail. So this is another diagram of Strait of Hormuz. Let me put it. So this is another diagram, clearer diagram. We have Iran. So Strait of Hormuz, it's a zoomed out diagram. So see, this narrow place is Strait of Hormuz, and it lies between Iran, UAE, and Oman. Okay, so after this, now let us move forward. Coming to now, what is Strait of Hormuz? It's written over here. It is only sea channel linking Persian Gulf to Oman and then to Arabian Sea. It is only about 50 kilometer wide. It is only 50 kilometer wide. This is to be seen at its entrance and exit, and about 33 kilometer wide at its narrowest point. It's the narrow, जो सबसे narrow point है ना, वो सिर्फ 33 किलोमीटर wide है. और 20% ऑफ ग्लोबल ऑयल जो है वो यहाँ से ही पास होता है. It's a primary route for petroleum exported from Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar and UAE. और 4/5 ऑफ द ऑयल जो भी यहाँ पे है वो इम्पोर्ट होता है टू एशियन कंट्रीज. Also along with Strait of Malacca that connects the Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean, Strait of Hormuz is one of the most vital oil choke points in the global economy. और अब इसको choke point क्यों बोलते हैं? Choke point is something which is very narrow. मतलब if this is something, so this is, sorry. So if this is a sea channel and it is this wide from here and this wide from here. Now, and it is not having any other connection here, like land or land है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. तो अब जो ये पॉइंट है ना, इसको अगर हम जरा सा भी ब्लॉक करेंगे ना, तो फिर ये जो कनेक्टिविटी है ये ब्लॉक हो जाएगी. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज choke point. So this will consider as Gulf for a Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz ये है. And this over here is Persian Gulf, and this is Gulf of Oman, and then there comes the Arabian Sea. So इसलिए ये choke point है, क्योंकि अगर इसको जरा सा भी blockage वगैरह हुई ना, तो फिर all the oil import will get disrupted. मतलब कि आ नहीं पाएगा इधर से उधर, and it would affect the economy, not just the country's economy but also affect worldwide, because we all know many manufacturing units are in of the world are in China, India, and oil from here is supplied to these countries as well. So it will also impact the global economy as well, and also may lead to increase in global oil prices. After this, let us move forward and learn about why, what would happen if the strait closes. Now, what would happen if the strait closes? So, first of all, there will be surge in global oil prices, as we have seen, because most of the oil producing countries are present here. Also, chances of crashing stock markets. Now, how can stock markets crash? If there is any changes in economy coming, it has a direct implication on the stock markets. So that's why there are chances of crashing stock markets. Impact on Gulf countries economy, as we see for example, Saudi Arabia जो है वो यही स्ट्रेट यूज करता है to export around 6 million barrels of crude oil per day. 6 million barrels is a very huge number. In return, Iran also exports 1.7 million barrels of crude oil per day. So Iran will also disrupt its own economy. Now, uh, coming to Asia would hit hard. So we have talked a lot about this strait. Through this strait, oil is supplied to Asian countries, most of the Asian countries. 82% of crude oil leaving Strait of Hormuz is bound for Asian countries only, and China buys 90% of oil that Iran gives. So what we have seen is 82%, 82% जो भी ऑयल यहाँ से जाता है ना, it is for Asian countries only and not for other countries. So it becomes important and it would impact Asia as well. So Strait of Hormuz is a very important linkage for the world economy, and for not just for the Asian countries or the Gulf countries economy, but for the world economy. So it becomes important to learn about Strait of Hormuz. What is it for our examples purpose, but also it is important that nations across take steps that Strait of Hormuz doesn't get blocked, or Iran doesn't imposes some barriers in the strait. Now, how can Iran impose barriers? So Iran has Iran Revolutionary Guards working in it. So they can travel on the sea and attack the oil shipping vessels that will be there, just like Houthis used to do in the Red Sea. So this way, Iran can help block the oil reaching Asian countries. So this was all about Strait of Hormuz. Hope you all loved the session. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share to FCAT Master. There is a lot coming up on this channel. Thank you all.